Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we're going to talk about how we help one of our clients offering car repairs locally to generate more leads online using best SEO practices. Car repair usually happens to be a local business, and in case you wish to generate more leads, then your website, web page or web portal needs to be found on top of local listings. In this case, our main focus was to increase visibility of the website in local listings, improve search engine rankings, drive organic traffic to the website, and finally generate leads through this website. After analyzing the website, initially we found out that it had huge scope of improvement, and that's what we wanted to work on. Of course, as any other SEO project, the main focus was to find the most relevant key phrases which would not only draw traffic but would also help the client to generate leads. Once the keywords were approved by the client, we set on to work on the on-page part of SEO, wherein we worked on title tags, meta descriptions, even content was optimized to include targeted key phrases. A lot of focus was put into local SEO because it's a local business and client wanted to be found on local map listings. We not only set up Google business profile for this client but also optimized and promoted it to draw more relevant traffic to the website. In this case, social media optimizations as well as promotions also helped the cause. We did create groups, communities locally and tried to engage prospect users. After diligent and consistent effort spanned over a couple of months, we were able to deliver better organic traffic and more relevant leads for this client online. The client confirmed that he got almost 800 leads through organic SEO. In case you are running any local business or car repair business locally and wish to generate more leads organically, feel free to get in touch with us through our website and we surely will be able to help. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks once again.